Welcome. Today we will learn 10 new English words. Let's get started. Gasped. It means to take a sharp breath in a surprised way. Example, she gasped when she saw the big fireworks. Frenzy. A time of great excitement and wild behavior. Example, the fans were in a frenzy at the concert. Amount. It is how much there is of something. Example, the amount of water in the glass is half full. Recognize. You have seen or heard it before. Example, I recognize that song from yesterday. Record. When you record notes, you write them down. Example, she recorded her thoughts in a journal. Examine. You look at it carefully. Example, the scientist examined the rock under a microscope. Material. What something is made from. Example, the shirt is made from soft cotton material. Underside. The part that faces the ground. Example, there are ants on the underside of the leaf. Eagerly. You really want to do it. Example, she eagerly opened her birthday present. Ace. Someone extremely good at something. Example, he is an ace student in mathematics. Good job. You have learned 10 new words today. Keep practicing and see you next time.